Hi, this is Marilu Saison, a proud member of Elites Empire. Anyway, I make this video, guys, to duplicate the wisdom and knowledge from our very own founder of Elites Empire, who is Empress Pearl Home. First things first, before we start, kung ano nga ba ang Elites Empire, ano ang kumpanya natin, gusto kong ma-inform ka what is network marketing. It's because in the Philippines, pag sinabing network marketing, ay para yun yung una-unahan o kaya dyan yung paglalagay ka ng pera at na wala kang gagawin, tutubo. Well, to tell you, there's a lot of network marketing companies in the Philippines and most of them hindi nagtatagal ng 5 years or 10 years. But I am proud to tell you that our company is already 2 decades of existence. Napakahaba na po ng journey ng ating company and we are currently expanding internationally. Our company is really so big time. It's because we are already have 115 offices here in the Philippines and we have 50 countries worldwide, no? So, napakadaming bansa na our companies are expanding knowing that our company is a Filipino-owned company. And you know what? Our company has created 18,000 plus millionaires already. That is 2 to 3 millionaires a day. And you know what? Empress Pearl Home started her 15 years ago and her life truly changed. But before anything, back to share to you, bakit kumikita ng malaki dyan sa network marketing? Alam nyo ba na network marketing is advertising? Ibig sabihin ito, para siyang formal na isang pagpuproduce at forward ng isang produkto. Alam nyo ba na sa traditional way of doing marketing, ang produkto ay magagaling sa factory, mapupunta sa wholesaler, seller, mapupunta sa here agent, sa middleman, sa retailer, bago mapunta sa end consumer. Ibig sabihin, sobrang daming dinaanan bago mapunta sa iyo ang isang produkto. Now, they have conceptualized this system called network marketing, whereas ang produkto sa network marketing away ay manggagaling siya sa factory, to the wholesaler, to the consumers or distributors, which is tayo na ang sumali sa isang kumpanya to teach forward and advertising the products. Alam nyo ba ang nangyayari sa traditional business, kung ikaw ay may produkto, for example, 12 ounce na Coke, alam mo ba kung magkano lang siya sa factory? Example, that is only 5 pesos. Pero pagdating sa iyo, ang end consumer, ang price na po ay 15 pesos na. Alam mo ba kung bakit ganon naging jump ng presyo? It's because maraming pinagdaanan and dahil sa advertisement. Alam nyo ba na ganon kalaki ang binabayad for advertisement just for them to supply and produce the products? Ngayon, kung ano ang nangyari sa network marketing, kaya lumaki ang kumikita ng network marketers kasi sila ang advertisers. Hindi kumukuha ng artista, wala sa radyo, wala sa TV, wala sa billboard dahil imbis na ibayad sa artista, sa'yo na lang ang network marketer binabayad sa buong grupo mo. That's why network marketing are earning like celebrities. Yun po ang nangyayari sa kanila. That's why here, we earn so huge. And network marketing has been existing in our other countries. Specifically in US, pag nagtanong ka doon, pag nakita mo ang mga billionaires in US today, they recommend you to do the network marketing like Anthony Robbins, Stephen Covey, Robert Kiyosaki na makikita mo sa National Bookstore, yung books niya, best-selling offers. Sila mismo ang nagsasabi that you made to do network marketing dahil sobrang ganda ng industriya. It's just so happen that in Philippines, may mga nagtatayo-tayo ng hindi naman sila network marketing. Ang tawag sa kanila ay mga pyramiding schemes, pero ginagamit lang niya yung pangalang network marketing, pero actually, they're just there na walang products na minumove or wala talagang vision na nakikita sa kumpanya. That's why may mga hindi talaga kumikita. But here in our company, napakaganda po ng track record because we have all these awards na meron tayo. Another things that I would like to inform, thinking about the pyramiding, alam nyo ba na ang pyramiding scheme, ibig sabihin nun, kung sinong nasa taas, siya yung mas kikita ng malaki. At yung nasa baba ay hindi kukuta ng husto katulad ng kumikita ng nasa taas. You know what I love about Alliance in Global Motion? Ay, kahit nahuli ka sumali, kahit ngayon ka lang sumali, alam mo ba na pwede mong malampasan yung kinikita ng taong naging invite sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, this is a very fair. I love this. It's because nakadepende ang pasok ng komisyon mo sa galaw na gagawin mo. And alam mo ba na our company Alliance in Motion Global ay may sariling manufacturing plants and at the same time may 7-story building here in Cebu. We're very loud and proud that we have that kind of company. At alam nyo ba, 15 years ago, Empress Pearl Hong invited this company and her story, 15 years ago, she was a student at that time. Sinabi niya, pwede ko pang tingnan, bakit naman siya maghusga ng isang bagay? Hindi pa siya nakikita. So, she attended a seminar after noon, her life changed. So, as early as now, sabi niya, kailangan niyang magnegosyo kasi maraming gumagraduate, walang trabaho. Yung iba, may trabaho pero wala pa rin. Mayroon nga, dalawang nagtatrabaho sa pamilya pero bitin pa rin sa family. So, sabi niya, yun din yung maging resulta niya kung ganun din ang sundin ng buhay niya. That's why she joined AIM Global. May nakita lang siyang kumikita ng 200,000 pesos. So, sinabi niya sa sarili niya na kaya niya ding aralin. Kung nakaya niya, kaya niya din. Yun ang sinabi ni Empress Pearl Hong sa sarili niya. Kasi lahat naman ng magagaling ay naging hindi magaling yan sa umpisa. What if kikita din siya ng ganyang halaga at even those people na just join this. And you know what? Hindi lang 200,000 binigay kay Empress. Many people, they are experiencing that they earn 200,000 per month. It's because during pandemic, alam nyo ba, sa ganda ng konsepto ng negosyo ng network marketing, in-incorporate siya sa online. At pagdating ng pandemic, mapapaisip ka there are people naging successful ng pandemic, but there are people na hindi naging successful. When you see these people, bakit naging successful? It's because nag-adapt sila sa online. Most of the millionaires and billionaires in this generation ay galing sila nung pandemic. 70% of them galing sa wala, nagkaroon. Bakit? Because they adapted to the change of online business. But Elites Empire is consistently innovating, strategizing at sumasabay sa lahat ng technology. At you know what? Because of that, nag-10 times ang results na nagkaroon po kami dito sa network marketing. You know what? We have this results. Ang dami dyan nakakotse, ang daming lumaking income, ang daming ditong nakauwi for good ng mga OFWs, ang daming kumita ng milyon na short span of time at kumita ng milyon in just 1 month. We have this system, we have this blueprint, we have this world map na sasabay ka na lang at ikaw naman yung susunod na magkakaroon nun. But I'm telling, it's not about wish. I'm telling about the results that created with the past years of Elites Empires. And this generation masasabi na this is the best time for mankind. And the history of the generation of this time, ito yung pinakamasarap yumaman at gumanda yung buhay. Bakit? We are in our economy equalizer. Yun po ang nagkakaroon ngayon dahil hindi naman ng background mo kung nakapagtapos ka ba. Ang tinitingnan ngayon, malakas ba yung loob mo to start your business? Out of all the businesses that nagkaroon si Empress, she experienced water filling station, industry business, forestry business, travel agency, sa lahat ng work, sa lahat ng yun, network marketing ang pinakamaganda. So you are able to expand your business in different kind of Philippines and different kinds of the worlds. Pangalawa, you can actually you have your time outside the Philippines, mag-travel ka, and yet kumikita ka ng malaki. Number 3, that impact, that influence, and your touch na nagkakaroon ka sa tao na you're able to teach kung anong alam mo, binibigay mo sa kanila kung paano sila magiging successful. Number 4, Empress seen their growth bilang tao 15 years ago until now. Empress is doing this business. And last, walang operational expenses, wala kang babayarang tao, walang office na binabayaran. The business is so convenient. That's why Empress tell us the business is so convenient. That's why Empress tell you, do this business, try mo lang tingnan, and definitely your life will change. What happened to us can happen to you as well. And we are very excited to welcome you.